It's 10:41 p.m, power's out, your neighbour asks, have you got a spare light? The baby's cold. This is the moment most plans fall apart, not from danger, from small gaps. In this video, I'll close those gaps with a UK-ready plan for blackouts, movement controls and supply hiccups without panic or drama. Today, you'll get a simple legal UK-specific plan to ride out civil unrest, blackouts and rolling supply shocks without panic. Welcome to Charlie Survival. This video does exactly what the title says. We're preparing for blackouts, checkpoints and stay put orders, the boring, realistic kind. I'll give you 9 survival levers that keep households stable in UK conditions, extra micro setups that work in flats or semis, and a 72-hour drill you can run this weekend. Most households plan for day 1. You and I are preparing for day 3 and day 7. Keep watching because payoff 2 includes the single tweak that turns a dead freezer into a cold box for 2 days, and payoff 5 shows how to keep comms when towers are jammed. If you're new here and haven't yet subscribed, join the UK crew getting quietly ready and building their survival skills. Subscribe for simple upgrades that actually work here. This is educational only, not legal advice. Stay lawful, stay kind. Ground rules. 3 rules for everything we'll cover. Legal and measured. We do nothing that breaks UK law or endangers others. Low profile. The best security is not to look like a target. Community first. Strong streets beat lone wolf fantasies every time. The 9 survival layers, UK Home Edition. I'm not giving the best tip first, I'm building to it so you remember it when it counts. Power. From dead phone to 72-hour household. If your battery plan is 1 lipstick power bank, you're gambling your safety on 2 extra charges. In a blackout, your phone becomes maps, torches, cameras, scanner and family lifeline. Small banks die by day 2. Core. A 12-volt leisure battery plus small inverter, 150 to 300 watts, plus USB hub. Charges phones, radios, head torches and runs a router when power returns. Input. Foldable solar panel on a south-facing window or balcony, or a car charger lead for top-ups. Discipline. Airplane mode. Batch check text. Download offline maps. Keep paper OS maps. Lighting. Headlamps for tasks, long life rechargeable or solar lanterns for rooms. Hands-free equals safer and less battery. This isn't about living off-grid for months, it's about 3 calm days extendable to a week without panic buying or noise. Cold chain, keep food safe longer. Your fridge is a timer, but you can hack the timer. Fridges hold cold for hours, freezers longer if full. Before trouble, turn the fridge into its safest cold setting. Fill voids. Pack the freezer's gaps with sealed water bottles or bags of ice. A full freezer stays colder far longer. Door discipline. Tape a note on the door. Open once, grab, shut. Triage. Eat high-risk perishables first. Move tomorrow's meal from the freezer to the fridge early. This simple ritual preserves calories, prevents stomach upset and buys you decision time. Heat and cooking. 60 to 80% fuel saving with thermal cooking. The best cooker in a blackout might be your sleeping bag. Fuel is precious, ventilation matters, and British weather is damp. Application. Stove plus ventilation. Use a camping stove where safe and ventilated. Never burn fuels indoors without proper ventilation. Thermal cooking. Parts cook rice, beans or stew to a rolling boil. Lid on, then place the pot inside an insulated hay box. You can use a cool box plus towels or a purpose-made bag. It keeps cooking for hours with no extra fuel. Menu. Lentils give you more nutrition per minute of fuel than most beans. Oats, couscous, split peas, they're all low fuel heroes. Hot water discipline. Heat once, thermostat. Build a habit of 1 burner batches. Cut fuel use, cut emissions and keep hot meals coming. Huge for morale. Water. Store a little, purify a lot. Taps fail quietly, first doesn't. UK outages can interrupt pumping or treatment. Water is bulky, people's brains panic. Minimum store. Aim for 2 to 4 litres per person per day for 3 days. Filtration ladder. Gravity filter for daily throughput. Tablets are lightweight backup. Mind the taste, follow instructions. Containers. Food grade rugged jerry cans plus 1 collapsible sink for washing up. Hygiene. Separate hand wash stations consisting of soap and towels to stop bugs spreading in close quarters. You'll drink, cook and wash without relying on a single point of failure. Comms and intel. Stay informed when signals stutter. In a noisy crisis, the people with the clearest picture make the best decisions. Phones jam, data throttles, rumour outruns truth. Radio. Keep a battery or hand crank AM FM set. If you're into it, a shortwave receiver adds range for wider context. Text discipline. Text first, calls last, phone off between checks. Offline. Download maps, docs, emergency contacts, print essentials. NeighbourNet. Agree a time window check-in with 3 to 5 neighbours. A note through the door beats no info. Mesh apps. Have a Bluetooth mesh messenger installed in advance for local no-call chatter. Range is short, use wisely. Mobility and checkpoint etiquette. Stay lawful, stay low-key. Movement controls are rare, but it's not the movements to improvise. Weather closures, police incident cordons, or official advisories can restrict routes. Vehicle basics. Always keep tank above half full. Spare fuses, jump leads, tyre kit, fluids, paper atlas. Rotate a small fuel can safely and legally if you store one. Route mindset. No two ways to essentials. Surgery, chemist, kin. If a road is shut, don't argue, detour or return. Checkpoint etiquette. Slow early, windows down, lights on if dark, hands visible, polite. Answer questions clearly, carry ID and critical meds info. If told to turn back, comply and update family by text. Walking kit. Waterproofs, solid shoes, small rucksack, water, snack, hat, head torch, copy of contact numbers. Your job is to be predictable, cautious and boring. You can find some of the best bug out items I've tried and tested on my Amazon kits list, as well as car survival and much more for when things go south. You can find the Amazon link in the description. Click it to level up your survival. Security. Look normal, be ready. The safest house is the one nobody notices. In the dark, noise and light travels. Bragging attracts problems. Light discipline. Use indoor lanterns, curtains drawn, no generator raw unless absolutely necessary, and never advertise it. Signals. Motion lights facing inwards on low sensitivity, so they don't trip all night. A small dog is an early warning superpower. Doors and windows. Repair now, not later. Door wedges at night. Neighbour web. Exchange numbers with 3 to 5 trusted homes. Rotate awake hours informally if trouble's about. Valuables. Keep them out of sight. Delivery boxes flattened inside out. The goal isn't a fortress, it's a quiet, forgettable household that minds its business and helps where it can. Nutrition and morale. Calories keep you alive. Taste keeps you sane. Stress burns micronutrients. Bland food kills morale. Pantry pattern. 60% staples. Rice, pasta, oats, lentils. 20% tins. Beans, tomatoes, fish. 10% fats. Olive, coconut oils. 10% flavour. Salt, garlic, chili, herbs. Fast grow. Sprouts and microgreens on a windowsill. You get fresh crunch in 7 to 10 days. Ferments. Simple sauerkraut and kimchi, no fridge needed once you know the basics. Meal rhythm. 3 predictable meal times. It gives structure, calmer kids and saner adults. Comfort corner. Tea, chocolate, biscuits. The psychology of a good brew is undefeated. You'll feel strong, focused and less irritable exactly when decisions matter most. Mindset and routines. The invisible edge. Most families don't fail for lack of stuff. They fail for lack of structure. Uncertainty breeds arguments, doom scrolling and bad decisions. Daily bones. Wake time, tidy time, movement time, lights out. Keep them, especially when bored. Movement. 20 minutes home circuit, air squats, press ups on the counter, stair climbs. Screen rules. Batch updates at set times. No doom scrolling at 1 AM. Jobs for all. Kids. Water monitor, lantern captain, pet duty. Give purpose. Journaling. What worked today, what didn't, tomorrow's 3 priorities. Routine shrinks chaos, a calmer brain sees exits and options others miss. The 72-hour home drill, run it this weekend. You don't rise to the level of your plan, you fall to the level of your practice. Here's a simple UK home-friendly drill. Film bits for your own records, you'll spot gaps fast. Day 0, prep, evening. Set fridge to cold is safe. Fill freezer voids with water bottles. Change headlamps, radios, banks. Place a fridge door discipline note. Agree family roles and check-in times with neighbours. Day 1, lights out. Cut breaker for 1 hour. Start small. Cook one thermal meal. Use only lanterns or headlamps after dark. Phone in aeroplane mode. Text only on the hour. Day 2, mobility and water. Walk your plan B route to chemist or GP, then home. Filter 4 to 6 litres via a gravity filter. Review waste and hygiene. Is the hand wash station working? Day 3, comms and calm. Radio brief at breakfast, 20-minute house circuits movements. Family debrief. What failed, what fixed, what to buy. Checkpoints and stay put orders without drama. The wrong sentence at a checkpoint can cost you 2 hours. The right 5 words can save your day. Most interactions are brief if you're calm and clear. Approach. Slow well early. Windows down. Dome light on at night. Hands visible. Attitude. Afternoon officer. Short answers. Don't volunteer essays. Paperwork. ID, essential med list, appointment letters if relevant. Outcome. If diverted, comply. Text updates to loved ones once clear. Streetcraft. If social media rages, remember, you're not the internet, you're responsible for those in your car. Money when card machines die. When card terminals blink, small notes talk. Cash, a modest stash of small denominations split between the house and go bag. Household bartables, only things you already use. Batteries, tea, soap, bin bags, so nothing's wasted. Receipts, keep simple records. Tomorrow returns and you'll be glad you did. Grey man home, don't advertise your win. If your house glows, people know. Curtains and light cones. Keep glow inside. Sound, no generator karaoke. Social, no halls, no boast. Help quietly. People remember kindness, not bragging. Mini kits, flat, semi or terrace. No garage, no problem. Shelf kit, indoor. 2 lanterns, 2 headlamps, AA or AAA batteries, gravity filter, basic stove, cool box, first aid, paper maps, notepad and sharpies, grab pouch, phone lead, small bank, snack, copy of numbers, plasters, emergency bivvy, hat, gloves, neighbour box, tea, biscuits, spare batteries. That's your friend maker in a crisis. The 7% battery night. It's 6:30 p.m. Weather is foul, power drops, dinner half done. Your phone shows 7%. The kids are hungry. What usually happens? Candles, cold panic, 4 apps open, fridge door opens 12 times. Our version. Light, headlamps on heads, lantern in the kitchen. Cook, pan back to boil, thermal bag it. Fridge, door discipline, tomorrow's meal moves now. Phone, airplane mode, 1 text to key contacts. We're okay, checking in hourly. Calm, board game on the table, kettle water into a thermos. Result. In 90 minutes, you've got hot food, charged torches, battery still at 6%, and a home that feels together. Common mistakes and fixes. If you avoid these 3, you're already ahead. Buying gear before habits. Fix. Run the 72-hour drill first, then buy one thing that solves the biggest pain. No paper backups. Fix. Print contacts, maps, meds info, put them in a clear A4 wallet. Broadcasting your prep. Fix. Share skills, not clout. Offer tea, not scrolls. Your 7-day upgrade plan. 1 small win a day beats 1 huge plan never started. Day 1, print contacts and maps. Assemble the hand wash station. Day 2, headlamps and lanterns charged. Place them where you'll use them. Day 3, practice thermal cooking with a real meal. Day 4, water plan. Fill, label, store, learn your filter. Day 5, power core, battery plus inverter, or at least a robust bank plus routine. Day 6, neighbour check-in, exchange numbers, pick a daily window. Day 7, mini blackout drill, 30 minutes at night. Debrief, fix one thing. Preparedness sounds like quiet confidence. It's your child seeing you light a lantern without swearing. It's your partner eating hot stew while the rain lashes. It's your neighbour knocking because they know you won't panic. And when official help arrives, you're not the person in the queue, you're the person who helped shrink it. Comment below, how many days could your home run as it is? 1, 3, 7? If this helped, like and subscribe and turn on notifications. If you want to take survival seriously, head over to my Amazon kit list and start building your bug out kit today. You can find the link in the description. If you found this interesting, I highly recommend watching this video next about what currency survives in a full-blown collapse. Stay strong, stay wild, and I'll see you over there.